Good morning, dear viewers. In today's video, we will talk about culture, its meaning, examples, and different types in very simple words. So, let's talk about what is culture. Culture means the way of life of people in a society. It includes everything that people learn, share, and pass on from one generation to another generation. Culture shapes how people think, act, dress, eat, speak, and live together. It gives people their identity and helps them understand what is right or wrong, good or bad, normal or strange. Here are different definitions of culture given by different sociologists. So let's define. According to Edward B. Taylor, culture is defined as culture is that simple complex whole which includes knowledge, belief, art, morals, law, custom, and any other capabilities and habits acquired by men as members of society. In simple words, culture is everything we learn and share as members of society. Here are different examples of culture in order to make you understand. Firstly, language. For example, English language, Urdu language, Sindhi language, Punjabi language, or Arabic language is the part of our culture in different countries, in different regions. For example, religion, it includes Islam, Christianity, Hinduism, Buddhism. For example, clothing, like a shalwar kameez in Pakistan is a dress of common people or masses in Pakistan, or kimono in Japan. For example, food like biryani in Pakistan, sushi in Japan, pizza in Italy. For example, greetings saying Assalamu alaikum in Muslim culture, and greetings like Namaste in Hindu culture, saying Namaste in Hindu culture. For example, festivals like Eid, Christmas, Holi in Hindu culture, Chinese New Year. For example, music and dance, classical music, folk songs, regional dances. For example, family structure like joint family in rural areas and nuclear family in cities. Art and calligraphy. For example, Islamic calligraphy, painting, pottery. Social norms, respecting elders, helping the poor, hospitality to guests. All these things together make up the culture of a society. Here are the types of culture, so let's define one by one. Culture can be divided into several types. Let's understand them one by one with examples. Firstly, material culture. Material culture includes all physical or tangible things created by humans. These are objects we can see and touch. For example, houses, cars, clothes, furniture, machines, tools, mobile phones, books, etc. For example, Pakistani culture includes truck art, traditional dresses, and handmade crafts. Secondly, non material culture. Non material culture includes ideas, beliefs, customs, values, morals, and language. These are intangible things that cannot be touched but shape our behavior. For example, belief in Almighty Allah, respect for elders, honesty, kindness, hospitality. For example, the Urdu language and Islamic moral values are part of Pakistan's non material culture. Thirdly, real culture. Real culture means what people actually do in their daily lives. It shows the real behavior of people in a society. For example, people say lying is bad. It is ideal culture. But in reality, some people still lie. It is real culture. Fourthly, ideal culture. Ideal culture means the values and standards people claim to follow. It represents what people believe should be done, even if they do not always do it. For example, Islam teaches truthfulness, honesty, and respect. These are the ideal values that society promotes. Number 5, subculture. Subculture refers to a small cultural group within a larger culture. It has its own beliefs, styles, and interests different from the mainstream culture. For example, youth culture, biker groups, or Urdu or Balochi cultural groups within Pakistan. Each has its own language, dress, and traditions. Number 6, counterculture. Counterculture is a group that opposes or rejects the main cultural values of society. They create opposite beliefs or lifestyles compared to mainstream norms. For example, in modern times, some people reject social rules to promote their own freedom and identity. Number 7, popular culture, which is also called pop culture. Popular culture includes modern trends, fashions, music, films, and entertainment that attract the general public. For example, social media trends, TikTok videos, pop songs, fashion styles, sports events. Number 8, high culture. High culture is related to upper class or educated elite class. It includes things that are considered refined, artistic, and intellectual. Here are different examples regarding high culture. For example, classical music concerts, poetry, fine arts, exhibitions, and literature readings. So, dear viewers, culture is not just about clothes or food. It's a simple and complete way of life. It helps people connect, understand, and live together in a society. By learning about culture, we learn who we are, where we come from, and how we can respect each other in society.